Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, it is trading at a level of $1.790 and chances can be high we can see a further fall. If you look at the weekly wise chart, remember there is from 2 weeks there is a continuous downfall and previous 2 weeks we have seen a green candle is forming. Okay, there is a continuous fall and this pattern will also support a further fall because if the price keeps started moving below a level of around $1.7, there will be a particular trend supporting this particular side and then a further fall we can see. Okay, previously what we have seen, the trend was moving but the volatility was also there. Okay, so overall trend is downside if you look at from the month of October of 2023. Before 2020 October of 2023 it was moving in a zone of $3 and $2. Okay, and then when the breakout will happen, a further upside we have seen to a level of 3.5 and then to a level of 3.6. This is the level we have seen. So if it started moving below this level, a further downfall we can do. Now understand, see, market is always uncertain. So remember, if you look at this particular trend also, an upside also we have seen, a downfall also we have seen. Okay, so there is a continuous fall. And after lockdown, what we have seen, there was a pattern forming that whenever it is hitting a new high, a fall was coming by. Because at the high, the profit booking was coming, and there is a fall we have seen. A swing is forming, that is where it is going upside. And for the sixth time, would have sustained, but because of the war situation, we have seen it didn't sustain in the fall way. Now, if you look at the dollar index, also you will see clearly how it will move. See, if now the dollar index is trading at a level of $103.5. $4. So chances can be high if keep sustaining our level of 103.5, then towards a level of 103.7, and then what we can see, there will be an upside because this particular trend will support towards an upside. So chance of going towards 104 we can see, and then a further upside movement we can see for dollar index, which will in turn reduce the price of natural gas. And this is one of the factors I'm telling you, one of the factors. There are a lot of the factors that inversely related. So if it goes upside, we can see natural gas price can fall, but there are other factors also doing that. So you don't have to rely only on that. So always try to set your SL if you are taking some trade and it's not going as per you, so SL will sell you down. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can go towards a level of $103.4. Okay, this particular pattern will support, and if it started going below a level of 103, then 103.4, then a probability of touching a level of 103.4 we can see, and then if started going below that particular level, a further fall we can see towards 103, and the downtrend will go towards an dollar index. Okay, and then a further fall we can see. So a natural gas price can rise. Okay, so chances are very high if it started going below 103, a further downfall we can see in the price of dollar index. So we can see natural gas price rise. Okay, now let's see how the natural gas can move. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, the chances will be very high it will not sustain because dollar index is trying to go upside. Okay, so let's see if the price, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more will add in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. In a Telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of $1.7058. Okay, and if the price started going below that particular level, a further downfall we can see, and that is the time where we can see it will fall below a level of $1.59. Okay, keep that in mind. Then this level is already being tested, so chances are high a further downfall we can see, and then from there a probability of going towards a level of 1.5187, which is an all-time low of this particular natural gas. Keep that in mind. There is a higher chances of touching this particular level if price started falling below 1.7. Okay, and chances can be very high that if the price started falling below this level, we will see it will go below a level of 1.5, and then we can see it will touch a level of 1.4, then to a level of 1.3, because this is an all-time low, so which is coming after a very long time. So chances are very high it will go towards 1.4 to a level of 1.3, and then it can go towards 1.2 also. I'll make another video of the price moving below a level of 1.5, or if you want I can give you a proper detailing. You can mail me regarding that, and I will tell you where to do what thing. Okay, so market is always uncertain, so always try to set your SL. If you're setting your SL, will save your capital, and once you are in profit, always try to trail your profit. Okay, then profit will be saved, your risk ability will increase, you can take that profit home. These two things are very important. Okay, now overall trend is downside, weekly wise, monthly wise. Okay, day wise it can fluctuate. Okay, so you have to put your SL as per that. I teach that also in my workshop, how to put your SL, because see, suppose if you're putting SL like this and but the volatility is this, so SL will also break and target will also hit, but SL will hit first. Okay, so I teach you where to keep your SL and how much quantity you put, half, one fourth or double. This is all what I teach. If you want to attend that workshop, we'll be regarding that and we can work out on the timing. Okay, so remember that if it started falling below 1.7, a further fall we can see, but if it started sustaining our level of $1.9, a further upside we can see, and there will be chances that it can cross a level of 2.061 if it started going above a level of 1.9. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Look at this particular trade. Suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see? Suppose if the price sustain this level, it can go towards a level of $1.8543. Okay, and if started going up that particular level, we will see it will go towards a level of $2.0558. Suppose if the price move out that this zone, then we will see it will go towards a level of $2.1318. Okay, and if started going up that level, we will see a level of 2.1820. Suppose if the price started going up that level, we will see a level of $2.4320, and then from there a further upside we can see towards a level of 2.54, which is already being tested. So chances are high it will go towards 2.8147, and from there a probability of crossing 2.75. 2.75 is already being tested, so chances of going towards 3.16 we can see, and this level 3.16 is in this zone. Okay, so you have to remember that once the price started going on 3.16, then a probability of touching 3.4 we can see, that to a level of 3.5, and then a further upside, because this pattern will support a particular uptrend. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm giving the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up.